Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something that's become a buzzword in the tech world, encryption. Now, you might have heard the term tossed around, but what exactly is encryption, and why should you care? Let's break it down, nice and easy. So at its core, encryption is like a secret code. Imagine you've got a message you want to send to a friend, but you don't want anyone else to read it. You take that message and scramble it up in a way that only you and your friend know how to unscramble. That's encryption in a nutshell. It transforms readable data, known as plain text, into a jumbled mess called ciphertext. And only those with the right key can convert it back to plain text. Why do we need this? Well, think about all the sensitive information you send over the internet. Your passwords, bank details, private messages, you name it. Without encryption, anyone who intercepts that data could read it. Scary, right? Encryption acts as a shield, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. Now, there are two main types of encryption, symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses the same key for both scrambling and unscrambling the data. It's fast and efficient, but there's a catch. You need to securely share that key with the person you're communicating with. If someone gets hold of that key, they can access your data. Asymmetric encryption, on the other hand, uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. You can share your public key with anyone, but your private key stays, well, private. When someone wants to send you a secure message, they use your public key to encrypt it. Only your private key can decrypt that message. It's a tad slower, but much more secure. So, where is encryption used? Pretty much everywhere. Your web browser uses it when you see that little padlock icon next to a URL. Email services, messaging apps, and even your smartphone use encryption to keep your data private. Companies use it to protect sensitive business information and comply with regulations. And let's not forget the buzz around end-to-end encryption. This means your messages are encrypted on your device and only decrypted on the recipient's device. Not even the service provider can read them. Think of apps like WhatsApp and Signal. They've got you covered with end-to-end encryption. So there you have it, folks. Encryption is your digital bodyguard, keeping your personal info safe and sound. It's a fascinating field that's always evolving to stay one step ahead of the bad guys. And remember, next time you're sending sensitive info online, make sure it's encrypted. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. Till next time, stay safe out there. What's Z?